What you're seeing is the EMF transmitter into my room. This is not how my video usually come out. Where's the other controller, John? The other controller? As I come out of the room, it's nice and clear.
Recording it. There's interference with my internet. I'm not able to take the computer right by there. So you think they're interfering with my